I'm Gary McGraw, CTO of Cigital and author of a bunch of books on software security, including Java security, building secure software, exploiting software, and the book called Software Security. Software security is a new discipline in computer security, and the idea is pretty simple. It's to build stuff properly in the first place so that it's harder to attack. Instead of trying to protect the broken stuff from the bad people by putting some sort of a thing, the notion is to just build stuff right from the very beginning. So the interesting thing is computer security has really changed in the last decade. It's become more proactive, more involved in security engineering, more involved in the idea of building stuff properly, more focused around stuff like software security. As cybersecurity as a discipline is growing, maybe by a factor of about 9 or so every year, software security is growing at twice that rate. And today the worldwide market for computer security is somewhere between $20 and $40 billion. The market for software security is between $2 and $4 billion. So it's about 1/10 of all of the cybersecurity budgets being spent on the new paradigm, and that's growing every year. Cigital is, simply put, the world's largest software security consulting firm. We have about 270 people. We've got headquarters in Washington, D.C., and offices in New York and Boston, Atlanta, Chicago, Santa Clara, London, and Amsterdam. The purpose of our business is to help large organizations figure out how to build software properly from a security perspective. And we do that through professional services and tools, and most importantly of all, people. One of the big challenges in computer security has to do with measurement and metrics and how you know whether something is secure. And we've been making a lot of progress in the last 5 or 6 years when it comes to software security through a project called the BSIMM. You can learn about the BSIMM at bsimm.com. The notion is to collect a lot of data from 75 or so firms worldwide and then analyze those data to create a model that allows you to then create a measurement tool you can use to measure different firms. We've used that to measure firms as diverse as Microsoft and EMC and Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, Visa, and many others. The cool thing is you can then compare how a software security initiative is doing for a major firm, and this is moving the field towards science and away from faith-based security. Cigital consultants come from all over the world. We have some people with years and years of experience consulting, some people that are just fresh out of school. Everything we do is about applying security ideas to the way that firms build software. So we're always on the lookout for fantastic people who want to learn about the intersection of software and computer security and make a big difference in the future of computer security on this planet.